to the police and law enforcement as a mayor and as a citizen of this republic. Karaming tao dyan, PDEA, then the police community. Sali-sali na sila lahat yan. There is the national team and there is the local of Pasay. How come nakalusot yung government? It's a failure of intelligence. Alam nila na yung mga rock concert na yan, alam ninyo, usually, basta yung mga banda-banda, hindi naman lahat. So yung concert, pagka ganon, marami talagang pasahan ng tulad. May mga gago talaga yun. And I'm just guessing if it was really that the battle that was passed onto everybody caused the death of the young men there. Nasaan ang NBI, ang anti-drug nila, or whatever that agency is called? Saan yung police? Saan ang PDEA? Bakit ganon karami ang namatay? Kung sabihin mo lang isa, dalawa, well, it's just for about one death. And we can attribute it to something, just it's a bad luck for him. Bakit karaming patay mo?